What's up, guys? This is Kyle. I am back. Sorry you have to wait for like a month or two, but I was in a vacation. I was in a Christmas vacation, my birthday vacation, so you didn't miss much. I also got a PS4. So I will make PS4 videos, but I have to wait for like more games to come out. I only got like one PS4 game, so but I'm waiting for more PS1 games. So yeah, I'm back. I also got new games. Hold on, let me show you them. I got Ratchet Deadlock, Painkiller, GTA 5, Minecraft, Payday 2, The Warriors, and so on and so on. So, yeah. So we're back to playing this. Alright. So I've been doing good. What the squirrel? Get the fuck out of here. Oh shit. Bonk. Bonk. That's this thing again. Done. Oh, the mother load. The mother load. Ding. Oh yeah, I want to show you something. But I have to destroy these rockets. Do I have those speed boots on? Keep doing this. Oh god, before it's squishy. Can you guys see alright?